Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're on S Motorsports. Today I got a little product install for you. So today we're going to be installing a billet thermostat. So I picked this up from Exceed Performance, or that's the brand of the billet thermostat. I got this from overseas, so it was definitely more cost effective than some of the other billet thermostats. Want to give you an overview of what this looks like and show you it, and hopefully give a review after I get to drive it around a little bit. But basically, I chose a black one. So if I pull this out, it is a billet thermostat. It looks really nice. I mean, there's not too much to say about it. It comes with the O-ring. It looks really good compared to the plastic OEM one. And it comes with a thermostat, a 160 degree, and it actually is a Motorrad thermostat. So this looks like a really good piece as well. So that's my plan, to get this installed and get this installed. We'll hopefully do that really quick as it's not too hard. And then hopefully we can get some drives in here and take a look at my temperatures, and I can compare what temperatures I were seeing with the 180 degree thermostat to now a 160. I'm not really planning on changing my fan curves a whole lot, but hopefully get this to lower maybe 7 to 10 degrees over what I'm seeing right now. All right, we're gonna go ahead and drain the coolant down as much as we can. All right, so I shoved a plastic bag in this cavity here and kind of taped it up a little bit to try and capture as much coolant as I can. So we'll give that a try. If any of you are curious what the inside of the water pump looks like with the bypass hole, as I was, you can see, yeah, that bypass hole, you can, I don't know, it's hard to see, but it's almost like, it's not a flat surface for that to sit on, it's like angled. So I'm going to test fit the thermostat in there to see how that bottoms out on there, if it does bottom out, to make sure. You're supposed to use an LS3 style thermostat, but which it is. All right, got it all installed. It looks pretty good here. That bag trick worked really good. I really barely leaked any down there. So next step is to adjust the tune to tell it that it has a 160 degree thermostat so it doesn't throw a check engine light code. So the next step is to take it out and see what the temperatures look like. Looking at the computer and the temperatures, it was running a little cold for my liking, so I went ahead and picked up this 174 degree thermostat. Slightly colder than the 180. I think this is gonna get me exactly where I wanna be. Right in that I can adjust the fan curves to come in kind of starting at 176 and ramp up pretty quick. So this will keep me right at that 180 degree on the dot and keep me more away from the 190 than I was getting with the 180 degree thermostat.
in the normal housing. So again, this is a Lingenfelter, part number is right there. Little spendy, but it looks like it's a good branded Motorad thermostat, and it does say 174 on the inside there. So it's definitely custom made for Lingenfelter at this temperature, but it looks like a good quality piece, just like the one I put in, just a slightly higher temperature to get it exactly where I want it to be.
All right guys, so I wanted to give you a kind of an update on what temperatures look like with the 160 degree thermostat. So you can kind of see, this is into my run a little bit, going 58, 60 miles an hour. I'm running at like 167, and this is pretty consistent throughout the run. It didn't really vary too much. Got kind of cold. I thought this was a little too chilly, so that is why I swapped out to the 174 degree thermostat, and I'll show you that log next. Okay, this is the one log for the 174 degree Lingenfelter thermostat. As you can see, kind of into the run, I'm running at 176. Let's go here. I'm going like 52 miles an hour, 178, 180, and it seemed like basically it would stay in between 176 and 180 as I was going, which I thought was just about perfect. That's kind of where I want my coolant temperatures, right? Basically at that 180 degree mark. Let's see, what did it say the outside temp was? I mean, intake air temp was 70 degrees. Outside ambient temp was 64. So obviously these might creep up just a few degrees as it gets warmer out, which is about perfect. So I think that 174 degree thermostat is the way to go. I think that'll work pretty good. So that's basically, I just kind of wanted to show you guys what the temperatures ran with that thermostat. I think it'll work pretty good. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, but thanks for joining in. Until next time.